Here is a short story about a girl who helps her mother with housework, a helping hand. Emily was a kind and thoughtful 10-year-old girl. Every day after school, she would rush home to help her mother with the household chores. Her mother, a single parent, worked long hours to provide for the family. Emily knew her mom needed extra help, so she took it upon herself to make things easier around the house. After finishing her homework, Emily would start on her daily tasks. She would cleaning, sweep and mop the floors, dust the furniture and wipe down surfaces, load and unload the dishwasher, laundry, sort, wash, dry and fold the family's clothes, iron shirts and pants for her mom to wear to work. Cooking. Prepare a simple, healthy dinner for the two of them. Set the table and clean up afterwards. Other chores. Water the plants and tend to the small garden. Take out the trash and recycling.
Walk the family dog. Emily's mother was so grateful for her daughter's help. She marveled at how responsible and mature Emily was for her age. The extra time Emily saved her mom allowed them to spend quality time together in the evenings. They would sit on the couch and talk about their days, make plans for the weekend, or just enjoy each other's company. Emily's selfless acts of service brought them closer together and taught her the value of hard work and family.
If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.